We are back here again on Dinosaur Island, and it is raining. After 2 months of drought, thirsty plants and animals can finally get a good long drink. This downpour is so heavy that it is actually forming new rivers and streams. Even the rock desert is finally getting its day. And overall, all the animals are finally happy. As usual, just like after all rains, the stegosaurs are hanging out by the lake. And all seems well, except for one thing. A baby, a very young baby, is wandering extremely far away from the herd. He is drinking, and it seems pleasant, except for we must remember what we all know lives in the water. Dinosaur is preparing to strike. The baby is getting perilously close to the Dinosaur. The Dinosaur strikes. The rest of the herd quickly moves out of the water. They leave the baby to his doom. But this is not the only predator-prey relationship that is going on today near the lake. Onyx. Onyx, the berry onyx. He's appearing for the first time in a couple episodes. Oh, but what is this? He is not alone. He has a mate now, as it seems, who we are going to call Serena, just for the heck of it. And it appears Serena is carrying a dead fish. She drops the fish for her and Onyx to feast on. Onyx is hungry, and he goes right for it. And soon they're fighting over this little bit of food that is left. Till finally none of the fish even remains. Bloodtooth, the female Tyrannosaur, is hunting. She has just spotted prey. Hammer and and her old mate are grazing. But they are unaware that they are being stalked. But then, Bloodtooth steps on a large branch and breaks it, and gives away her position. Hammer manages to run to safety, but her mate is lagging behind. Bloodtooth scores a successful hit on the old male's leg. With her broken leg, there is nothing this old male can do to stop his Hammer is frightened, sad, and distressed, and in confusion, she keeps on running until suddenly she runs into bigger problems. Hammer suddenly finds herself face to face with a gigantic megaraptor. Thankfully, he is alone. All the raptors, Velociraptor, Dromaeosaurus, Velociraptor, they all hunt in packs, even Deinonychus and Utahraptor. For a raptor, it is not a good thing to be alone. But Megaraptor is the largest raptor ever recorded in science, and he is more than capable of taking down a small Pachycephalosaur. Camera keeps running and running. Bless her civil heart, she never noticed the cliff. Well, that's all we have for now, folks. You'll have to wait to the next episode to find out if young Hammer survived her fall, if Bloodtooth will ever meet her demise, if the Stegosaurs will ever leave, and if Onyx and Serena will ever have a baby. Thank you for watching.